SOLIDWORKS makes it really easy to rotate components on the screen in multiple different ways. Today, we're going to take a look at how we can rotate components in SOLIDWORKS. The first way to rotate components, and the easiest way to rotate components, is to simply click and hold the right mouse button while hovering over a component and start rotating it around. This makes it easy to align a component as needed so that it will rotate as expected when mated into place. The next way we can rotate components is by going to our Assembly tab and selecting Move Component. From within there, we have a Rotate Component command. We can choose to do a free drag and rotate this component around as needed, the same way we were doing with the right mouse button. The only reason I would normally come to rotate component is if my mouse had a broken button, which has happened to me before. In that case, what I would do is I would add the rotate to my S key shortcut so that way I can access it quickly and easily. This can be done by going to my customize menu, selecting shortcut bars, and typing in rotate to find my rotate components command and drop that in. Now I can quickly access the command and start rotating components if I have a broken mouse. Otherwise, we're just going to do it with our right mouse button. Finally, you can also access this through the Tools menu by going to Tools, Components, and Rotate. You may not have components available. If you don't, you can come down to Customize menu and just make sure you have the checkbox enabled for components so that you can see those. Go ahead and try some of those tricks today to rotate components in SOLIDWORKS or set up your interface to make rotating a little bit easier in the future. Thanks for checking in.